Hello, today what I want to do is I want to share two products by Tailwind Nutrition. This one here is a endurance fuel and the other is a rebuild recovery. First I'm going to show the endurance fuel. Now this here is a complete soul energy. While you're doing an activity and such, you pour this into a bottle of water and it will last over 12 hours and you can drink this all day. Now it has a perfect balance of your hydration, your calories, and the electrolytes that your body needs to maintain your energy level. This also can be put in a hydration pack and does not leave a film and can be easily rinsed out. It also quickly absorbs into your system when you're drinking it. Now that just touches some of the main features of the endurance fuel. This is meant to drink as you're performing an activity. Now they also have the rebuild, which is taken after to rebuild muscle and energy and such after you've already done your activity. This here is the rebuild. Now both of these have different flavors. This is the vanilla. The last one that I just mixed was berry. It has a mild taste to it, but has a clean taste to it. It dissolves into your water and it's pretty tasty, to tell you the truth. It's a flavored water. So this here is a complete combination of protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and electrolytes to repair your muscles, your energy, and just to make you feel better after a vigorous workout. So there it is after I mixed it up and it's dissolved completely. This was the berry right here. It's not bad tasting. It's a flavored water. And what these are good for me, I was asked if I'd be interested in sharing these, and I looked at them, seen what they do, and I figured that folks could possibly use this. Long distance runners use these instead of energy bars and such. They've been used by those. They've been used by many athletes. So putting in a survival kit or a bug out bag could be very useful. You can rebuild your muscle and your energy after trekking for a long time, or this here can give you the energy that you can get things done around camp or be able to hike your way to safety. So it just has many uses. I just wanted to share it. You can come up with your own use if you have any at all, but I like to share stuff like this because just to let people know it's out there and it may be an option for them. I'll leave a link where you can check this out more, of course, and as always, thanks a lot for watching and take care.